So today I'll be showing you how to pair and connect a Bluetooth speaker to your Sony Smart TV. Now this one is running Google TV, and all you have to do is scroll across in the top menu and then select Settings. Under Settings, scroll down to Remotes and Accessories, select that, and then make sure Bluetooth is on, as you can see right there, and then you want to scroll down and select Pair Accessory. Now, as your TV is scanning for Bluetooth devices, you want to pick up your Bluetooth speaker, make sure it's on and it's in Bluetooth pairing mode. Now, depending on what speaker you have, the method of putting it in Bluetooth pairing mode could be different, varying from speaker to speaker. For this one, all I have to do is press on the Bluetooth button, and when it starts blinking like that, I know it's in pairing mode. So anytime now, my TV should discover this speaker. So there you go. So you can see it's been detected up there. So all you have to do is select it, just press the OK button, and it's gonna bring up the pairing window in a moment. There you go. So just select pair and it's gonna get paired and connected. And you can see the light has stopped blinking. And now we have the speaker right there. Okay. Simple as that. Now you can use it to listen to any audio from your TV. Thanks for watching and good luck.